Hey there, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about our site survey service. So when we come and do a site survey, essentially what we're doing is three key things. One is taking sizes. We're measuring accurately to ensure that we make sure we don't make any mistakes. And we've got all the information that we need in terms of, from a printing perspective, how much extra material we need to use in different places, where plug sockets are, where televisions might be, any other obstructions that are on the surface, we can measure up and make sure we've got accurate sizing for. The second thing is so that we can test materials and just look at the surface of the wall, window, whatever it is that you're looking at, and we can make sure that we're quoting you for the correct material when using your project. And one of the third things is that we're also taking lots of photographs and cataloguing that information together so the sizes and the photos match together. And everybody in the process, from the design team, project managers, installers and sales team, are all on the same page, knowing exactly what your project is going to look like. So why would you go for a site survey? Well, the couple of things that I've already mentioned, but also there are additional elements that help you from the site survey. One of the things is that we also estimate how long the installation time will take to fit each item. And if there are things that need to be done, like moving furniture, painting a wall or preparing a wall before we come, sometimes clients have taken off an old sign or taken off some other previous designs that have been on the wall, and then the surface isn't quite ready for new designs. So we would instruct you to say, right, this needs changing, that needs plastering, that needs fixing, etc. If there's mould on the wall, as an example, you'd need to get that fixed before us coming to do installation. So those are the kinds of things that really help. In addition to the three key things that we do, installation estimation is a huge part of the job. We'd obviously also look at access to the building. How do we get in and out? Where are we going to park? All of those kind of practical elements are really helpful for us making sure that the day of installation just goes really, really smoothly. So what else is included in the site survey? Well, once we've gathered all of that information and we've got all of that kind of photographs, measurements, etc., we then give all of that information to our design team. And my design team will then put together a technical drawing of each of the spaces that we're looking to work with. What that means is we get a physical design program where we've got each individual photo and measurement drawn out of each of the wall surfaces. Now, there's two things that we do with this. If we're doing the design, we would then put all of the designs into those spaces for you. If you are doing the design, then we will often send you that site survey so that your team can then put the designs into those sizes and into those surfaces. So there would be also inside that, there will be things like scales. So there will be essentially a picture of a person that gives you an idea of where the scale of the wall is comparatively to an average human being. Also, it gives you the ability to see the obstructions on the wall. So if you do, for example, have a television in the middle of the wall, we can make sure you avoid that with the designs. If you've got text or other designs going around the wall, you want to make sure that that doesn't get covered up by the TV. So it's helpful to see those obstructions on that site survey. And then there are also notes like, please avoid doing this or that, which is just really helpful for you as a design team to know what to do from that point. So that is everything that is encompassed in the site survey process. Essentially, if you've got any other questions about the site survey, please do get in touch with us and let us know. But I hope that that's been a helpful overview for you to understand what is involved in a site survey. Thank you ever so much and take care.